Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Kitchen. In today's video, I come up with a very simple recipe called onion and coconut curry. It is very easy to make and it is very beneficial for those who want to lose those extra kilos and those who want good hair and skin. So before starting the cooking guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel The Fit Kitchen and be the part of this family, and you can follow all my recipes which are coming up in a line. So have a nice day guys, let's start the cooking.
Friends, these are the ingredients for onion and coconut curry. So first thing, you need half of the coconut and then 2 onion and 3 dry red chili and little bit of turmeric. Dry red chili you can take more if you want spicy more. So I'm taking only 3 or 2. So after this, onion you need to keep it separate because these are the 3 ingredients we are grinding in mixie. Okay, let's start. Yeah guys, see I have put all the ingredients here. Now let's time to grind it. Once you can check, so based on that you can add the water, and if you want spicy then you can add dry red chili also. Get smooth paste. See guys, paste look like this, and now I will tell you the next step what we have to do. Yeah guys, the paste look like this. Now you have to take out all in one pan. Now add the onion which we cut in the beginning. Add it all. Now add little bit of salt based on your choice. Mix it. Now main ingredient for this, to get that more taste, you need to add coconut oil, 1 tablespoon exactly. This is a small spoon, but you can still have to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now mix it guys. See, our onion and coconut curry is ready. It is very easy and simple. You can try and share your experience to me. I see our onion and coconut curry is ready. You can try. And those who are very conscious about diet and want simple curry without any lot of ghee and oil, this is the best curry for them to lose those extra kilos or weight, and it is rich in vitamin You can have it with rice, chapati, dosa. So that is it for this video, guys. Now it's time to serve. Let me show you the final look. Final plate, how it look. Bye bye, guys. Yeah, guys, see, this is the final plate. I used one boiled egg and little bit of salad, tomato and onion, and you can have it with rice and chapati, dosa. It's very delicious, and please try this recipe and let me know your comment. That is it for this video, guys, and I see you in next video. Bye bye.